Okay, here's another review of a Citizen Automatic. It's a very rare watch. Let me show you a very rare watch. It's automatic and it's chronograph. Let me show you. Okay, this is the automatic. Okay, let's try to shake it. Okay, I will start the stopwatch. Stopwatch start. Okay, now. Mandar pa stopwatch? Hindi umandar
Tuloy-tuloy.
Sila ata to eh.
Tuloy-tuloy niya.
Hindi ito. Ito. This is another watch. This time's working. Okay. This is a Citizen automatic. It's mechanical, not quartz. So I guess this from the 1970s. Siguro 1970s to, no? 1970s, was 60s? Really?
60s, 70s.
Late 60s or early 70s? Okay, okay. I'll click the start. Click. There you can see the hands moving. Okay. This is a very rare watch. Very rare. Okay. With the minutes and a second. Date, it's a Tuesday, number 7. Yeah, 7. In today's money, this is very expensive. A Tag Heuer will cost as much as 90,000 pesos. This one, this old automatic, I guess less than 5,000. Okay, it's more than 1 minute. Hindi na i-increase yung minutes niya. Di ba yung dial nasa right side sa minutes counter? Anyway, let's make a video of 2 minutes. Natutuwa ako sa mga watch na walang battery. Kasi yung mga ganung watch will last for even 40 years, 50 years, wala nasisira no?
Oo.
Okay, it's now almost 2 minutes. Commander mo ba yan? Doon nila ayaw. Okay, mamaya. It's 2 minutes. I will try to make it stop. Okay, I push this button, click stop. Okay, it's 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Okay, I'm going to reset it. Click this button. This button reset. Ooh, okay. Galing, no? Nakakatuwa mga antigo na watch. It's made by Citizen. Ito, gumagana ba yan? Buti bubuksan mo. O yun pala eh. Pwede i-video yung makina. Citizen yan? Stopwatch o hindi?
Sir, Bulova.
Tingnan, tingnan lang Oh, manda daw. Wonder pa, Bulova, matik lang yan, hindi chronograph.
Hindi, sir.
Ikot mo nga, pakita ko yung face. Kaya ba makita? Okay, it's a Bulova, date. Ito maganda to, kasi yung letter niya malaki.
Oo, sir.
Buo, Tuesday, no? And, mahal na ganyan klaseng watch. Bulova, ilang jewels yan? Kung kita dito eh. Automatic, Bulova. Dito ako natutuwa sa mga Citizen eh. Citizen. This is 1960s or 1970s mechanical. Umandar pa to
1960s siguro.
I-reset ko. Ito pag reset ko, may differential to, hindi na re-reset ng maigi.
Oo, nung diretso.
Na? Pero ito pwede ba, no? Puti yung pyesa niya, may nabibili pa ba? Yung pyesa? May napapalitan?
Parang ano sir eh. Meron sir. Meron, pero
May ibabalik niya sa original factory condition?
Mga second hand din. Ang mga pyesa na nito, wala na siyang ano.
Natutuwa ako dito sa ano,
Mga Crono na.
mga luma.
Oo, yun.
Imagine this is 1960s, no? So this is more than 40 years old. No?
40.
Assuming it's early 70, this watch is more than 40 years old. Imagine after 40 years old, still working. Kaya natutuwa ako sa mga mechanical automatic watch eh. Yeah, ako nga pala si Elion Chang. Ano pangalan mo?
June po sir.
June ano?
Canceran.
June Canceran?
Oh, Canceran.
Canceran. Okay, that's June. Yan, June, mahilig din sa, pare kami ng hobby eh. Mahilig din siya sa mga mga mechanical watch. Okay, thank you June ha.